Struggling with Wi-Fi dead zones? You're not alone. Today, we're going to fix that by setting up the Baetaey Wi-Fi range extender. And we're going to do it the most reliable way, using the web login method. No WPS button required. First, let's unbox extender. Inside, you'll find the extender itself, a LAN cable and a user manual. Plug the extender into a power outlet right next to your main router. Wait until Wi-Fi LED light turns solid blue. Now, grab your computer or phone. Go into your Wi-Fi settings and look for a new network named something Baetaey. Connect it and open web browser and access 1921.68.10.1. Press Login button to access settings. The wizard will now scan for all nearby Wi-Fi networks. Find your home's main Wi-Fi network in this list and click on it. A new box will appear asking for your Wi-Fi's password. This is critical. Carefully type in the exact password you use to connect to your home Wi-Fi and press Connect button. The extender will now process the settings and reboot. This takes about 60 seconds. Wait until the LED light on the extender turns a solid blue. You will now see a new network that's a copy of your home Wi-Fi network name followed by plus. This is extender SSID. Use your home Wi-Fi password to connect extender SSID. Finally, unplug your extender from the outlet near the router. Take it to its permanent home. The ideal spot is halfway between your router and the area where you need a better signal. Plug it back in, wait for the light to go solid, and enjoy your expanded Wi-Fi coverage. And that's it. You've successfully conquered your Wi-Fi dead zones with the Baetaey extender. If this video helped you to fix Wi-Fi signal issue, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech guides. Thanks for watching.